This is my third video on my YouTube channel, and I'm at a bonfire. I don't know who that is. Getting fireworks getting set off now, so I'm going to sit down properly.
14 minutes. So watch mine if you want the full fireworks and everything. And also Ella getting shouted at.
I got shouted at, so watch Taylor's because I got shouted at. Right, I'm setting off. Go away. That was boring, that one. That was a small, boring one. I was like,
you screamed.
and that weren't me. That was great.
You sound very like each other.
No, we don't. Move, Jack. Sit down, you two. Sit down.
You stepped on my bad foot. Jack, you stepped on my bad foot. You don't care. I sprained it, you know.
Ow.
I can't see.
I can't.
Stop. Ow!
You win.
Do not fall on me, please. Oh, no one.
So good, this one.
Stand up.
So try and get a good view. Stand here, like here, Taylor. Get a better view here.
My trousers are black. Ella, my trousers are black. Look at that one. Remember when I used to be late afraid of fireworks?
What?
Remember when I used to be late afraid of fireworks?
Yeah, we both used to be right afraid. Alright, funny. Where's that come from? Oh, up there. No, there's some more.
I'm moving because of fires.
Oh, where's my... Oh, it's here. I was like looking where my phone was and it was in my hand all the time. Have I got any
I've
messages?
had mine on for 16 minutes.
Mine's been on for like 3. Oh, that was alright. I want one of them right big ones that like go right everywhere.
Like,
Yeah. Like them big ones you see it like... Finger.
did you hear my voice?
Yeah. Ooh, pretty.
How are you not scared of getting hit?
Yeah, why are you scared of getting hit? Are you just used to it?
Sean liked it when he started putting fires out.
I know. Whoa, my ears, man. Oh! Ah! Bloody hell. Pop, 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 pop. So good.
What?
Yeah, man.
It's fire. This is fake, by the way.
What?
So this is fake.
What's
My
fake?
YouTubers. My fellow YouTubers. Ooh, never rocket. So put your hands up.
Put your hand up in the air if you like rockets.
Not right now, but
Not right now, but like, just like,
we'll be able to see me going like.
yeah. Just like seeing me in like,
Comments.
in like real life. Just put your hand up if you like rockets.
Hand up.
Yeah, just put high five. Put it down in comments how much you like rockets and fireworks. Oh, it's gone off! Whoa! Is that it? That scared me, that. Made me jump out my skin.
You're not touching it after.
I know. couple of minutes. The fire. We're right close to the fire. It's right cold out here. I'm right close to like fireworks and all, 'cause it's so cold. Like proper cold. Taylor, it's just freezing here. Oh, it's gone off. Oh. Cool.
Wow, we just went so local.
Once the fireworks go off, it's like gone all dark, doesn't it?
And then fireworks, not fireworks, fire's just like...
And then fire's just like there just to help us be warm. It's nice fire warm. I know, I want to sit down, but I'm scared I'm going to be in your view. I'm sitting down, it's so cold. I'm not. If I move closer to you, if I sit next to you...
You're in my view then.
Yo.
And now you're in my view.
Not that you can see me, but yeah, man. I'm scared it's going to hit us. Ah!
Ellie. Falling off a seat, move!
It's not even a seat, it's a floor.
Whatever. Falling off the floor.
Falling off my floor. How can you fall off the floor?
Because you can.
You can't.
You can't fall off the floor when you sat on the floor. At least you get no posh.
Posh Elise.
Look at her.
Innit?
Brandy, my pussy alone. No. Elise, stop it.
Elise, stop it. You'll never be a famous YouTuber like us.